Why is measuring potential output so difficult? Imagine trying to measure something that is always changing but never directly visible. That's exactly what estimating potential output involves. It's like trying to guess the maximum amount an economy can produce without causing inflation, but you can't see this maximum directly. Instead, economists have to use models and statistical tools to make educated guesses. One big challenge is that potential output is a theoretical idea. It's based on the idea that the economy is running at full employment and resources are used efficiently. But since it's not something you can measure with a simple number, you have to estimate it indirectly. This makes it tricky because different models might give different answers. Another problem is the methods used to estimate potential output. Economists often use techniques like the Hodrick-Prescott filter or production function models. These relying on assumptions about how the economy works, like how productivity or labor participation changes over time. But these assumptions might not always be correct, especially during unusual times like a recession or a boom. Data issues also make things complicated. Economic data can be incomplete or revised later. When initial data is wrong or changed, the estimates of potential output can shift significantly. This makes it hard to get a clear picture of the economy's true capacity at any given moment. Structural changes in the economy add to the difficulty. Things like technological advances, demographic shifts, or policy changes can alter how much the economy can produce. If models don't quickly adapt to these shifts, their estimates of potential output become less reliable. Distinguishing between what the economy can produce and what it is actually producing is another challenge. During times of economic shocks, actual output might fall below potential because of demand issues or other factors. Separating these effects is complicated because demand and supply can influence each other in complex ways. Finally, estimating potential output near the most recent data points is especially uncertain. Since models relying on past data to predict the future, recent changes or shocks can make estimates less accurate. Policymakers need good estimates to decide whether to stimulate or cool down the economy, but the uncertainty makes this a tough task. All these factors mean that measuring potential output is not an exact science. It's a balancing act that involves assumptions, data quality, and understanding economic shifts. This uncertainty impacts how we see the gap between what the economy is doing and what it could do, which influences important decisions on interest rates and government policies.